In this video, we will be talking about the 4 weirdest NFT projects that just came out this week or the past 2 weeks, pretty much. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm really curious. There's gonna be a ton of projects. Look at these. We got some really crazy projects that came out this past week, and I'm excited to talk about them, to figure out what is this whole phenomenon going on, why these crazy projects coming out, and what does this tell us about the NFT space in general. So welcome everybody. If you're probably watching this right now and not live, because I don't really get many views right now, but yeah, that made me laugh actually. But I'm having fun, and I hope you are too. Other than that, I hope you have an amazing day. Welcome to Web3 Builders, to my channel where basically my goal is to make you an epic Web3 builder. So here we build NFT projects, dApps, all sorts of things. And of course, we talk about NFT projects in general as well. So welcome. Hope you have an amazing day. See you. Wait, I'll see you here. Yeah. So, anyways. I got 1 viewer. No, I got 0 viewers. That's great. This is awesome. All right. Let's get into it. Okay. So, let's see. What is the update that we have in terms of NFT projects? Right, let's take a look at the general space of NFT projects so far. The one I want to talk about initially is going to be the Goblintown one. You'll see here in a second. But as you can see from what we got so far is we've got one of the biggest ones, of course, as always, Bored Ape on the top. The other D one is really cool. I'm not sure if you remember this one. This one was a really cool project that came out. I'm definitely thinking about investing into it. By the way, not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so just so you know. Now, the one I want to talk about right now is something called Goblintown. This is an NFT project that came out, I think 3 weeks ago, and is by far the craziest project of all. Yes, it is very dramatic. I agree. So why is that? Well, for one, I want you to take a look at some of the things we got. Things like Augaga and the goblins and then the goblins. So it's literally goblins, okay? And it's cool, right? It's awesome. Goblins are awesome, but like there is no value here besides honestly probably entertainment, from what I understand, right? Like there's no value, right? So I want to take a look at how this project actually came about and talk with you how, why do they get so big? They're at the 4.19 ETH price right now, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, let me drink some tea though before I get into it. That's good. 4.19 ETH price. That's pretty good. That's like $10,000 at this point at the current rate that we're at, which is pretty impressive actually. Yeah, so how did they come about? Well, if we go to their website, actually, their website is crazy. I'll tell you that for sure. Their website is pretty crazy, and they actually got a really cool sound. So, I mean, for one, look at what they got here, right? So, fucking enter already. That's pretty much. I think that makes it so different than most other people and what they're doing. That's what makes it interesting, right? Yeah. I mean, look at this. Right, and so just so you know, this was a completely free mint, right? So if you got the chance to get this NFT, this is free mint. They have no roadmap, no Discord, no utility, nothing, except these weird goblins. Yeah, and of course they already minted out. I love the design on this website. Actually, it's so intriguing. It's so different than most of the other websites that it really makes you think about what NFTs represent and what we can do. Because I don't think it's got to be just this always serious, I think it's not just always about like if you think about it, right, guys? It's like, it's not always about, the hype, not the hype, but it's not always about, oh, cool, I got a Bored Ape, right? I feel so cool and so forth. It's not about that. It's actually about entertainment. The fact that we have this kind of stuff, and if you take a look at their Twitter spaces, let's take a look at this. Twitter space, Goblintown. I'll take a look. Let me go ahead and remove this right here. Twitter space Goblintown. Okay, they had the most weirdest Twitter space of all in general. Let me go and give you a weird and mischievous Twitter space, as you can see, right? Let me see if it will take me to that one. Yeah. So if you play the recording, you'll see what I mean. Let me see here. Yeah, this is pretty much it. And they say weird shit. What's that? What?
hamburger. Monkey Goblin favorite snack.
So cool. I love their.
Go piss, Gary.
I love this. I love this. You know, I mean, if you look at the comments, right, you know, people are laughing about it. Like, even though, yeah, people are definitely laughing about this, and they're having fun with this, right? And I think that's what makes this, NFT collection so unique, is that it's different than most other collections, right? Like, I mean, if you look at their NFTs, it's their actual NFTs, and the Twitter, it's so different than other ones, you know. Like, they went the complete opposite way of doing, you know, of doing actual actually giving value utility. I think the value here is entertainment. That's what the value is here. They even got a Goblintown filter. Wow. That's so cool. That's so cool. Yeah. So I think that's pretty awesome, honestly, guys. With what they got so far. Yeah. So that's Goblintown for you. I want to take a look at what I want to start going with is, because some of you guys who are watching this are also developers, right? You know, the minimal amount of you guys who are watching it. The one person right now who's watching it. So thank you so much, by the way. I know I kind of started this very late, but that's okay. I want us to take a look at some of the contract code as well, in terms of how they actually, you know, do their contract, and kind of go over number one, some of the minting stuff they have got going on. Because of course, oh, damn, that's cool. Wow, look at this. This is called, I forgot what this is called. This is called a fiddle. I forgot what the name of this is called, but you see how it spells Goblintown? I think I'm not sure what actually this is spelling. I have no idea what this is talking about at all. But let's take a look at the contract. Number one, the contract is definitely one-liner, which is really interesting to me. Yeah. Let me see. Let's go into look their actual minting function, if we can find it. Is there a mint function at all, or no? Is there a mint function at all? Token owner by index? No. Number minted. Let me see. Balance. Oh, that's normal. Safe mint, of course, that's normal. Okay. Yeah, safe mint, that's normal. Mint. Okay, mint function. Overflows are incredible and unrealistic. So anything else besides that? Mint to the 0 address. That's completely fine. Making Goblin. Okay, there we go. So making Goblin. External. So it looks like it all kind of starts from here. So here's the Goblintown NFT, because the other ones are just normal ERC721. Oh, they're using ERC721A actually, which is really interesting, because ERC721A actually plays on ERC721 and actually makes it more efficient, especially when you mint multiple. So ERC721A, let me see if I can show it to you guys. ERC721A, I should put like some really cool music, like some really chill music. Who we got here? We got Arturo. Hello, Nas. Greetings from Uruguay. A big fan. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate it. What's up, my friend? Good to see you. Yeah, so ERC721A is literally a play on ERC721. Come on, Nazari. Boom, right here. It's literally a play on ERC721. See, implementation of the ERC721 supports minting multiple tokens for close of cost of 1. So it's kind of like what ERC1155 did, right? But they're doing it with ERC721. Maybe we can see the GitHub here. I don't want to go too deep to it, because I know what you guys came here for. And you guys came here for the weirdest NFT projects that we got so far. Oh my god, I'm so funny sometimes. And sometimes I'm not. Actually, my girlfriend tells me all the time I'm not funny. So I probably should stop trying to be funny. What makes this so different? I'm just curious. What makes this so different? ERC21. Operator approvals. What makes this a map if talking to approval address? Okay. But what makes the safe mint so different here? Compared to like a normal one. Safe mint. Let me see here. So as you can see, you can pass in the quantity. So just like in ERC1155, you can also pass in the quantity, which you cannot do in ERC721. You cannot pass in the quantity here, right? You know, with normal ERC721. Here it's a little bit different here. Nice. Let me see the mint function here. Mint. Oh, so we got the safe mint. We got the mint function. So let's go ahead and keep going into it. All right. Okay. Unchecked. Yes. Okay. Transfer. Oh, interesting. Okay. Current token ID. Nice. So their index is a little bit, the way they're actually saving indexes is very, very much different here. Mint address quantity. So we got the address. Make sure the address is not 0. Of course, this makes sense. Before token transfer. That's okay. That's okay. Let me see here. And then we have this unchecked function, which to me is something new, something I have not really been a part of. Balance plus equal to okay, updates. So basically what they're doing is they're they're actually updating. You see this packed address data? They're updating the balance of your NFT just by simply adding like from 1 to 2 to 3. And that actually is very, very, very cool. Hello. What's your name, my friend? Lin Tube, I think it's what I call it. So you can see here the way they're updating is by balance. Usually, for example, in normal ERC-721, the way you kind of have it is you take one NFT and you literally run the same main function like 10 times. If you want 10 NFTs, you have to do a for loop, right, to actually get the NFT, 10 times basically. Here it's a little bit different. Oh, sorry about the background noise.
Boo!
It's okay. So you can see here instead, they're actually updating this to the quantity. We can directly add to the balance and number minted. Ooh, that's so different. That is so different. Packed ownerships, and then we got something called packed ownerships, which initialize the quantity. Wow, that's so cool. So that's very different than your normal ERC 721 contract. Yeah, and so it looks like they're actually minting just a normally. Let me see the actual make goblin total supply. Bye. I think that's cool. What are they doing with that one? Bye. Where's the actual variable bye? Let me see. Goblin bye. What are they doing bye for? Make goblin bye. I mean, I think bye means end. Yeah, I think that's what bye means. So make sure bye is true. Okay, I guess that's what we call that for. Message.sender is equal to text. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. What else we got? Less than the goblin bye. How many goblins? Oh, so yeah, of course. So we have goblin bye. So goblin bye means we can only mint one per address. Yeah, so that's important. And then of course you append it here, and then you actually mint it right here. Yeah, so nothing too crazy, honestly. Here, in terms of the actual contract, they use just very, very normal contract. Honestly, nothing crazy here. Anyway, so that's, my friends, that is Goblintown. All right, next up, let's talk about tBeast. All right, tBeast it is. So the next project we got going on is gonna be tBeast right here, and this came out recently as well. I haven't actually really gone into it. But all these projects seem to be just minting out, and I'm just like, what the hell? So it's literally like tBeast, but with shit. Yeah. So yeah, I mean that's kind of surprising to me, right? Honestly. So if you look at the actual, I can't get this. This is hilarious. Yeah, so it's literally tBeast and shit. I don't know if you guys remember, but there was something called tBeast, called Prime, that came out a long time ago. Oh, error crowbar search. That's interesting. OpenSea is down. That's interesting. Oh, OpenSea is down. Oh no, OpenSea. Oh, what is going on? Oh, hell no. Oh no, OpenSea. Okay, it's back up. Good. Call me shit god. This is the weirdest. And I feel like, to me, like, call me weird, but I feel like it's the same company that might be doing this, or the same group of people who are launching these projects. What is up, Zeus, my friend? Good to see you. Good to see you as always. So I feel like, to me, it's like these weird it's the same company, because like you see the style, it's the same style, or just different company that are just simply modeling, they're modeling Goblintown. That's my thinking, right? That's my thinking so far. Add shit to MetaMask. Okay, let's see. Oh, you can actually have shit like token? No way. Okay, let's see. Did I add shit to my MetaMask account or no? Connect wallet. MetaMask. What are they using? What kind of a platform is this? That's interesting. What the hell is this platform? Let me see. Inspect element. Looking into this. Let's go. What is this platform? Or do they create this by themselves? Maybe they did this by themselves. Maybe. Potentially. But I feel like this is like a company type situation. Maybe. No, it doesn't really say anything. Damn. All right. Okay, never mind. We're so close. We're so close to figuring out what the hell they did. But anyways, let's my MetaMask retry. Okay, let's connect our account here. Connect. Okay, connected. You've minted all permitted and tokens. Oh, I have minted 0, my friend. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so let's see. What is there? What else is there? The NFT is just fucking a piece of shit. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. Maybe because you have the little thing in the bottom. Do you see what I mean? Like these projects that are coming out. Yo, what's up, Ilyo? Good to see you, my friend. What is up, everybody? Oh man. What is your guidance on your developers? We'll get into Q&A here in a second here, guys. We'll get into the Q&A here in a second in the end. Yeah, so I think this is really interesting. Let's take a look at what they got going on underneath that contract. Maybe it's the same contract as maybe it's literally the same one as Goblintown, so let me take a look at this. Also ERC 721, so that's already not Goblintown already. Let me see here. Contract address here, contract. Okay, so that's cool. They actually have a proper contract, that's split into multiple actual files, which I like that. Let me see here. Black hole. Oh, that's probably where the money goes. I feel like this address is probably where the money goes right here. That's usually what happens here. Let me see. Let's dig into this code. Wait, I got more dramatic. Code. No, that's way too much zoomed in, right? You guys agree with me on that one, right? Let's see. So we got shitcoin per price. Okay, that's normal variables. Metadata URI, that is completely fine as well. Metadata, piece of shit. That what the f? They're just modeling Goblintown, everybody at this point. Yep, nothing crazy here. And shit claim. Yep. So there we go. This is where you claim your shit. Oh my god. Well, this is you claim your shit coin. So that's cool. Or no. No, yeah, it is where you claim your coin. So yeah, they got the coin right here, which is awesome. But the actual minting of the NFT is just simply right here. So this is stage. So this means, so I don't know if you guys know, but require means that this needs to be true in order for this to go on. If this is not true, basically this function will break and it will not go through, right? So that's kind of what happens there. If you take a look at this, Blogger says save live. I got you, bro. I got you. I got this. So require amount plus public minted public supply. Yeah, of course, make sure we don't exceed maximum supply. Let me see. Wall limit. So of course there's a wall limit that they got here. So they are checking on every single wallet to make sure. Again, see, basically they take how many are you trying to mint? So what is the actual wall limit? Let's take a look at it here. What is the wall limit? What do you guys think? Oh, we don't know. See, so this is actually coming from the constructor, which is cool. Well, we can actually decode that. So if we scroll all the way down, so the wallet limit, boom, 10. See? So this is actually the arguments we passed in the constructor to actually start this contract. Yeah, so this is the cool thing about blockchain. You can actually see everything, right? You can actually see all the code. You can see all the constructors that are coming in, everything, guys, right? All right, moving forward here. Yeah. So nothing crazy about this one. Again, I don't fucking know. I don't know how the hell is this even. How is this a thing? What do they do? Oh, let's look at their Twitter. Your NFT is just a piece of shit. Yeah. So thank you. Shit on your blue chip NFT for whatever you chip it out. Created by Shit Lab. That's cool. Yeah. Oh wait, look, this is the same NFT. Oh, I'll poop an NFT, but wait, what the hell? That's interesting. Look at this. So this is crazy. I'll poop an NFT, enter the portal. Okay, great. But this is shitbeast though. So does that mean that this Alpupa NFT is the same thing as the tBeast one? Let me see here. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. 1.15 ETH. Okay, let's see. Oh, it is. No, wait. Sometimes I forget what do I have? Some of these. I got these like cool, little effects, but I just don't remember them still in my head. Yeah. So tBeast made Alpupa NFT. Oh, right. Yeah, that makes interesting. That's cool. Let's take a look at that website. Yep, it's the same one. So it is tBeast basically. Oh, I think what might have happened is they actually minted this first, and then that transferred to the tBeast. I think that's what happened there. Honestly, probably is they took this poop, right? They took this shit, and then that transferred into that transfer into tBeast. This one. Weirdly enough, poop NFT is actually costing more than the actual shit itself. No, yeah, than the actual tBeast itself, which is pretty ironic actually. Yeah. So we got NFTs with shit, guys, right? I know I feel like I'm not really talking about serious stuff here, but this is serious stuff. These are NFTs with poop on them. No. Yeah, see, that's a pretty good one. Okay, so we got that one. What is the next one we got? tBeast. We have the next one is Alpupa NFT. Again, that's basically the same one as tBeast is. This one was launched initially, and then that confirmed that later on transferred into tBeast. Because you can actually do that with NFT projects. I don't know if you guys know, but if you have an NFT project, sometimes what you launch is you launch the beginning phase, which is like think of it as like an egg. It could be something that's like hidden. You don't actually know what's behind the NFT. And then later on, whatever the NFT you have, that actually transforms into another NFT. And you're basically airdropped a different NFT at that point. And so that's pretty cool. That's, you can do that actually with a bunch of NFTs. I know, Zeus. That's pretty much what we got so far going on. Yeah. So not, again, and from the looks of it, it's the same contract as well. So if I look at the actual NFT contract too, let me see here. Yeah, it's the same. It is the exact. Is it not? No, different contract. Never mind, guys. This one is a different contract, but it probably got airdropped for the tBeast one. So yeah, but it is a different contract though. Cool. Anyways, yeah, their contract is a little bit different. Let me see here. So when you mint, okay, that's fine. Piece of shit sale is not started. That's okay. Maximum supply, that's fine. Some of these, I don't understand why we have so many if functions. What the hell are you guys doing? That's just weird. Okay. Minted is less than instant free wallet limit. Yeah, so there's of course a wallet limit for each one. Quota, so minus minted, free amount, quota. Where do you go to see the contract? Great question, Ilya. So if you want to go see the contract, if you click on any of these NFTs, okay, you see I have this OpenSea NFT project. Scroll all the way down, and we've got these details section right here. See this details section? If you literally open up this details section, there's two things. You've got the token ID, right? So this token ID, if you click on that, that will actually give you the metadata for the actual NFT itself. That's right here, right? That's the metadata for the NFT. And you can see how it actually correlates. All the traits directly correlate. For example, background, right, is blue. So you will see it correlates directly to here, right? Pretty cool. And then if you go into the contract address, right, that's right there. Click on it right there, and that takes you to the contract address. So that's the contract right here, correct? But then you're not done yet. What you got to do after that is hit this contract section right here, right? This contract section. I wish I could like zoom in, but you guys can't see me zooming in, unfortunately, right? I don't think so. Click on this contract thing right here, and that's it. And then that will give you the actual code for the contract. And then you'll be able to actually see it. So in my case, for example, you'll see we always got the constructor, which is going on right here. We're passing all this stuff like the wall limit, the instant free wall limit, the random free supply, instant free supply, and so forth. What they got going on though is really interesting. Enter lottery amount. So it looks like there's a lottery. Code random seed. Lottery. I think I gotta get into it a little bit more. I'm just trying to understand is why the hell they have what is the lottery for? I don't know. I don't know what the lottery for is, right? Honestly, guys, that's pretty weird. So anyway, so that's the I'll poop it NFT. Okay, moving forward, then the last NFT we got is we are all going to die. I'm just kidding. We're not. But the NFT, that's the name of the NFT though. I know, I'm not funny. So we are all going to die right here. Oh, something's wrong. OpenSea, come on. Come on. I even got this really cool like mic, so I can talk to you guys in a different manner. Like, look at this. I can like sing to this, right? So like this. Yeah. Yo. Alright, let's talk about some of these NFT projects, guys, okay? Yeah. Alright. We got the shit beast. We got the Goblintown. We got the shit beast. We got the Golblintown. Alright, anyways. Sometimes you gotta have fun. I thought this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool, like the way I got this right here. Anyways, hopefully you guys can hear me. So this is gonna be the "We Are All Going to Die." Now it needs a theme song. I agree. I like this one. Yeah, maybe like a theme song for the actual, the actual show, whatever the show is called. I call Web3 Builders. We can call whatever you want. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. We love you too. Thank you. I give you an applause now. No, I didn't mean that. I meant an applause. No, that's a laugh. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. Okay, cool. Moving forward, we are all going to die NFT. I have no idea what this is all about. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got the Twitter here. All right, so how did they even get popular is my question. What the hell? Because they only got 14,000 followers, so they must have gotten from somewhere that's popular to shout them out. That's for sure. Nas House of NFTs shit show. Nas, that's pretty funny. House of NFTs shit show. That's funny. The evening show. Yeah, I like that. I like that name. Everyone in there. I have no idea how this came about. Like, number one, you see, I have one question. I got one question, okay? I got a really important question. I really hope I can zoom in here at some point. I should get like myself like that little zoom in thing. But the one question I got is, how the heck are you able to do this piece of text? Like on Twitter, how can you do this type of a text? I don't get that. The fact that it's like Cyrillic, whatever it is, I don't understand it. That makes no sense to me. I mean, there's probably a way. I just don't know. If you can tell me, I would really appreciate that. Anyways, moving forward here, I don't know how they came about. And I don't even know what kind of value they have, and nor do they have a website. So to me, I don't even know. Like, look at this. There's no website here. This view Etherscan. That's great, but okay. Let's take a look at some more searching here. Let's go to Google, guys. Here. Let's do some digging around because I want to know this thing. Like, how the hell did this come around? I have no idea. We're going to die. Beats Bored Apes to become #1. Really? What? Okay. All right. Interesting. In the midst of the ongoing crypto downturn, there's Goblintown, right? So, like, because the NFTs have been going down so much, I think that created this whole parade of just shit NFTs to tell us how shitty the NFT space is right now. I still love it, though. Don't get me wrong. We're all gonna die. Can anybody find me a website? Where the hell was this thing minted? I don't get it. With the API client, okay. So all they talk about here is that this was a 6,665 NFTs collection that featured pixelated soulman humanoids clad in medieval fantasy gear ranging from magical death masks to swords and so forth. They probably got this article from Vice. They probably paid these guys a ton of money, and that's how they got minted out. Honestly, I really feel like that's the case. I genuinely feel like that's the case. If you just get someone who's big in the space or to shout out your project, you're good. you're good, my friend. Yeah. If somebody can find me the actual website, because I can't find a website for minting. Like, where was this even minted? Because you can't do it on OpenSea, that's for sure. We're all going to wedge tokens of Concord for those who send NFTs to the project's burn address to die airdropped. Oh, they airdropped NFTs. So we are going to airdrop WAG DAI tokens of Concord to those who send NFTs to their project's burn. No, that's not it. No. What do you guys think, huh? What do you guys think? Ilya, what do you think, huh, my friend? What do you think? Live chat where y'all go die NFT. No. This is hard to hold. Not gonna lie though. Well, you should know. Coinbase NFT. Okay. Oh, Twitter Spaces. Goblintown. Yeah. Here's another creepy recording for you. This is Goblintown creepy recording? No. Okay. This is one from We're Going to Die. Let's see here. Okay, that's fucking weird. Okay, yeah, these NFT projects have gone rogue, and I think that at this point we have left with NFT projects who have absolutely no value, nor do they have any utility. And so at this point, I have no idea what to do because, yeah, at this point, I have no idea what to tell you about that one. When I see a lot of hype, I'm very cautious. Yeah, I agree with that, Ilya. You have to find someone big to publish. Yeah, publishing NFTs is definitely the hardest thing to do. One of the hardest things to do, 100%. Since I mean, I'll be honest with you. Like, for example, we build NFT projects. Let me go and take this stuff down. We build NFT projects for for companies and so forth. And it's definitely, marketing is definitely the most important part of actually building an NFT project and so forth. So definitely the most important part, and something you have to put in a lot of time into, right? The coding, yes, that is very important. But the marketing part is also very important. And if you have no connections, if you have no, connections or anybody who can shout you out, I call it clout. Basically, if you have no clout NFT space, it's really hard. Yeah. So that's one thing I learned from, launching NFT projects for other companies and so forth. And it's the ones who have some kind of clout, who have someone who, shouts them out. Those are the ones who actually make it. Yeah. So really, really interesting. I still don't understand where the heck these guys actually minted their NFT. That to me is the weirdest part, because I can't seem to find it, guys. Unless I'm going crazy, I cannot seem to find a place of where I can mint this NFT and how this whole thing came about, because it just went under the radar. And it's so interesting. I mean, look at this. Do you guys like it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like this art? Because I'm not a big fan of this art, honestly. Not a big fan of this art. The Tom of the Dead Tactics. I mean, we've got this medieval. I get the whole medieval, thing. I get that. Kind of like, oh shit, that's a bit too much. Sorry, hold on. That was way too much, guys. My bad. I did not know this was gonna scream at me like that. What is this one? Let me see. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? What the hell? There should literally be a show of shitting on NFT projects. Even though I love NFT projects. But making fun of them. Maybe this is what it is. I don't know. This seems like I'm in church, is what I feel like. Yeah, this feels like I'm in church, honestly. Maybe that's what makes these projects go nuts. Is the weirdest you can make your NFT project, the better you'll be. Anyways, guys, yeah, I mean, I've gone through some cool stuff. We've gone through some NFT contracts. Yes, of course, we'll get into making NFT contracts. I will probably make NFT contracts next week with you guys. If you have any questions, you let me know. Of course, you can also, guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram right here. So if you guys do have any questions, you can just go right here. And if you do want to become a Web3 builder, we've got some links for you down below. I do workshops on how to build NFT projects and so forth. So, yeah, we take 10 students to 15 students every single month, and then we just make you into an epic blockchain developer / NFT developer who will then go to clients and actually launch NFT projects for clients and then charge them money, of course. That's not the most important part, of course. I love NFT projects in general, of course, but I also have to make a living. So, you kind of have to balance that out. Someone said, you think you found roasting. Oh, roasting that's cool. I like that, Ilya. Roasting NFT projects. Yeah. I just got to be in the funny mood because sometimes I'm not. Sometimes I'm like in like a really serious mood and I'm just like, But when I'm in a funny mood, I get to be funny. Even though my girlfriend will probably disagree with me. She'll probably tell me I'm not funny anyways. Yeah. But anyways, that's pretty sad. Sometimes sad. But also, anyways, guys. So yeah, I mean, let's go through some of your questions. Cause I think you guys had some questions here. So I think someone had, is it good to master React and go to backend or learn backend while learning React? Good question. So I'm going to go to here and then I'm going to pop up your actual question here so that I can answer properly for you. So should you master React and go to backend? Yes. Or learn backend or learn React. Doesn't matter, honestly. You should just pick one and go with that one. I will tell you though, however, that I think React is going to be easier because it's so much more visual. And so, for example, I like React projects a lot more, right? To me, they're a lot more visual. I can learn a lot more from them. And so I love backend projects as well, but I just don't like them as much as React projects. And so whatever interests you more, go into that. I wouldn't say you want to bog yourself out with doing too much all at the same time. Just pick React and just focus on that, right? If you try to learn React and then you try to learn this, it's like, when they say there's a term, it's like if you try to catch too many bunny rabbits, you catch none. No, that's bad.
Boo!
That's bad. Yeah, I think that's yeah. So that's my answer to that is just pick React and go full on into it, and then you can pick up other languages later on. Hopefully I answered that question pretty well for you. We got Ilya who said, let's do a show. I like it. Let's talk, man. That'll be so damn dope. That'd be so damn dope. Yes. Okay. Next one. We have one more question, I think. Who had something about technical stuff, I think, but it was all the way at the top. Am I missing something? Maybe. What's your guidance for new developers to blockchain? Great question. That's maybe why you guys are here. So I think the biggest guidance I can give for you is enjoy the process of this. So you want to pick, like for example, okay, I'll tell you this. In blockchain, there's so many things to do, right? There's a ton of things you can do. And it does feel overwhelming a ton of times. You're like, well, there's dApps, there's NFTs and so forth. My recommendation is very simple. Get into NFT projects and you will learn blockchain. Very simple. If you can learn how to build NFT projects, you will understand blockchain a lot more. And because NFT projects are so much more interesting, there's a visual aspect of it, and I personally like it. It gets your interest. Whatever makes it fun for you, get into that, right? So don't try to focus so much on like there's dApps, there is. Of course you can build them if you want, but there's dApps. There is so many things you can do. There's DAOs, right? But if you just take one thing, right? Just take one thing that excites you, like maybe NFTs, maybe it's dApps. I don't know. If it's dApps, then do that, right? Which is, for those of you who don't know, are decentralized applications. So, and then from there, just fully go into that, okay? Go into that fully and learn everything. How to create NFTs, how to put them on OpenSea, how to put them on IPFS, everything, right? And honestly, and then you will have a ton of fun. And once you start learning that, my next piece of advice is start sharing that on all different social medias. So may that be Instagram, may that be on LinkedIn, whatever it might be, start sharing that. Why do I say that? That's literally how I started my career as a blockchain developer, because I started sharing all the knowledge I was learning from these other websites, right? Like crypto zombies. I'm also learning from Udacity, for example. A lot of great stuff. When I started learning, I started sharing everything I was learning, and people started coming to me, and then I became a source of a resource. And then I got one NFT project, and the second one, and the third one, and now we have a team of people, and we work on NFT projects together. And now we currently are doing 4 NFT projects at the same time. Of course, we have a team of people, so we can do that. But to me, that is how I got started. And I definitely recommend you guys could get started in that same manner as well. So hopefully I answered that question too. Can I do freelancing React? Of course you can. Ain't nothing stopping you, my friend. Ain't nothing stopping you. Just gotta do what you want. Of course, if you want to do freelancing with React, get really good at React initially, and then focus on the making the money portion. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys got no more questions, I will go ahead and then rock it out to some more musica. Oh shit! No, we got to do. You have one more question. Any way to learn blockchain under your mentorship? Yes, if you want to learn blockchain under my mentorship, you can either go to my Instagram, which is right here, or and then DM me, or I have a link down below to message me on my phone number, and then I do workshops where I teach you how to build NFT projects, and I teach you blockchain. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, guys, Ilya, thank you so much for being here. Let's talk about a show. Let's talk about NFT show. That'd be really cool. I feel that'd be fun. I want to do these videos a lot more. If I can, I'm not going to say anything, because usually I say some stuff and then I just don't do it. So I'm just going to do it, okay? Awesome, guys. Other than that, hope you guys have a great day. Please like, please subscribe, please share this video, because we only got 3 views. No, we got more views, but as long as I'm having fun and you guys are, that's what counts. If you guys want to see anything in terms of like NFT projects, what do you want me to do? Just let me know down below in the comments. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you on Monday. Hey, hey. Raise your hands up, raise your hands up in the air. Raise your hands up, raise your hands up, raise your hands up in the air. Raise your hands up, raise your hands up.